What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Literally just got done with my shift. As you can tell, I'm loving it wearing the blue scrubs now from my old hospital system I worked for. I got my old blue watch that I'm busting out again, so it feels good to wear the blue again. But I made some changes to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And by the way, there's a special. If you sign up, there's $50 involved. So I'll put that in my comment section for my affiliate link if you're interested in signing up and getting $50 pretty much. I'll show you in the comment section. Just click the link and it'll tell you step by step what to do. And if you're interested in signing up with Fundrise, feel free to give it a shot. And if you want to tip me, a lot of you guys are making comments. I will post my PayPal link if you're interested in tipping me. But let's discuss the Death Star real quick. We made some changes. We're at $22,000, almost at $25,000. That's very exciting. I mean, I made a lot of changes. I want to just show you how many holdings I had and then why I made some changes. Iron Mountain, I'm at 60.2 shares. LTC Properties, I'm at 47.2. Verizon, I'm at 28.21. Omega Healthcare Investors, I'm at 25.88. Pfizer, I'm at 24.01. Remember, I said if I get to 25, that's when things start really kicking in. Altria, I'm at 18.83. Need to get that up. British American Tobacco, I'm at 20.90. First Energy, 19.08. Pembina, 19.02. Altria 18.83, Spirit Realty Capital 16.43, Enbridge 16.04, Coca-Cola 13.56, UVV 13.48, ExxonMobil I'm at 13.24, XYLD 12.78, BIP 11.46, Nusi I'm at 10.49, BPY I'm at 10.37, Physicians Realty Trust I'm at 9.47, Plymouth Industrial Rate 9.2, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund 8.797 shares, Agree Realty Income. Very excited with that monthly dividend stock. I have really discussed that rate. I love the compounded annual growth rate. DIVO I'm at 18.22, Medical Properties Trust 8.18, TELUS 7.58, Unilever 7.58. One Oak, 7.25, Healthcare Trust of America, 6.66, OPI Office Properties Income, that's 6.36, AT&T 5.78, Lumen Technologies 4.38, JEPI 3.64, BCE 3.55. So my activity recently, so I've been making some buys, and I did sell, and I'll explain to you why. The REML, GLDI, the gold shares, cover call ETN, and SLVO. So I sold my cover call ETNs for mostly my covered call ETFs. Now, one of the reasons why I'm planning on actually throwing these guys, kind of my scatterbomb stocks or my covered call ETNs, on the other side on E-Trade. I'll explain to you tomorrow why I'm doing that and what I plan on doing with these. But this is what I like about JEPI. I'm going to jump to the dividend. We're going to do a quick dividend analysis on JEPI, a little bit on the portfolio on JEPI as well. I want to show you guys why I invested in JEPI and I really like them. But I just want to show you my holdings. And again, my goal is almost to be at, I'm about to get to $1,000 of earned dividends just from my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And again, my value over time, look at this. So I barely did anything in July 10th, 2019. And then all of a sudden, again, this is when I was in Myrtle Beach with family. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to do this in the car ride. Like, what are you doing? I'm like, just messing around with my dividend portfolio. And all of a sudden, we are from $151 to $22,000. So it's growing, it's getting bigger. I'm just throwing more money in. Dividends are kicking in. I'm reinvesting dividends, and these monthly dividend stocks are starting to buy the quarterly dividend stocks. for then buying the monthly dividend stock. So it's really kicking in. It's like a very spinning circle and everything. And man, my monthly dividend ETFs, I just love these. But I'm going to do a quick stock analysis and dividend stock analysis on JEPI because I absolutely love this stock. Everybody's telling me it's a retirement stock. Do this, do that with it. Well, excuse me, I'll show you why I like JEPI, and this is why it's in my dividend portfolio for monthly dividend stocks. It's just powerful, and I'm going to show you why. Let's check this out. Now, JEPI is kind of new. Now, don't expect this stock to beat the S&P. I mean, if you want to invest in stocks that beat the S&P, go into other things, maybe try to compete with it with VOO or VGT or something, but this one is not going to beat the S&P. I'm just letting you know that it's not going to jump up like crazy, but its dividend history is amazing. We need to know what's inside JEPI, which makes it really important, and why this is a really good monthly dividend stock or ETF, a monthly dividend ETF. So let's check this out. Who the heck are these guys? We need to know. So right now, okay, the expenses, the gross and net are 0.35%. Not bad. The 30-day SEC yield is 7.96. That's not bad at all. So it's designed to provide current income while maintaining prospects for capital appreciation. It generates incomes through a combination of selling options and investing in U.S. large cap stocks, seeking to deliver a monthly income stream from associated option premiums and stock dividends. Constructs a diversified low volatility equity portfolio through a proprietary research process designed to identify and undervalued stocks with attractive risk return characteristics. Seeks to deliver a significant portion of the returns associated with the S&P 500 index with less volatility, in addition to monthly income. So, monthly income, that's what it's about. We need to know what the heck's in it. So, first of all, let's look at some of these powerful stocks that they have. The security description SPX 86754. That's fine, but we need to know that's a synthetic one. But the physical, the common stock. Okay, this is what's awesome. They got Microsoft, they got Intuit, they got Amazon, they got Google, they got Train Technologies. That's a good one. Costco, PPG Industries, Old Dominion Freight, AbbVie, Deere and Common Stock, T-Mobile, Berkshire Hathaway, B, PepsiCo, Eaton, Thermo Fisher Scientific, Bristol Myers Squibb, Comcast, Lowe's, Mondelez International, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Hershey, Stanley Black & Decker, Nike, Xcel Energy, Progressive Corp, which is right over here, right, like literally right off the highway in 271, Duke Energy, Johnson & Johnson, NextEra Energy, Merck, CMS Energy, Kimberly-Clark, MasterCard, Chubb, Verizon Communications, Texas Instruments, TC Energy Corp Common, Norfolk Southern, Equinix Rate. So these are some really good ones. Medtronic's a very good dividend stock. Regeneron, Sun Communities, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Philip Morris. They have some really good ones. Anthem is blowing up like crazy. Holy cow. Altria, that's a good dividend. We own that. Seagate, gee, I just mentioned Seagate. That's a really good dividend stock. 3% dividend yield. They got some good ones. So that's very impressive. Estee Lauder, that I didn't really realize that they have them on here. So those are some very good stocks in their portfolio, and their cover call ETF, and Adobe, of course. So we have a good overall, and Walmart overall portfolio that we like on this. But let's jump to its dividend history. This is what I like about JEPI, and this is what makes it like this is a powerful monthly dividend ETF. I love it. It's pretty consistent. It's very conservative. I would say conservative, and it yields a very good dividend, which we're gonna jump to. So, I mean, this is kind of a brand new stock, but you have a consistent 40s, 50s. You got from 26 cents to almost 40 cents each time. Very good yield, very strong dividend yield. It said right around 7%, but you got consistent 30s, 40s, and 50s versus my covered call ETNs that were a little bit cheaper, but it was a little bit of a scattered bomb the way they had that. But I'm going to leave those guys alone on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I'll explain that to you guys tomorrow. But I really like the way JEPI is doing things. And then look at the combination of JEPI, QYLD, and RYLD with their dividend history. I'm going to jump to RYLD and QYLD real quick. So RYLD, you're getting in the 20s, 20s. Let's just say 16 cent or 13 cents for the lowest to 24 cents. So you're getting a consistent almost 24 cents. I like that. So that's great. Almost 25 cents, for a dividend. So that's pretty consistent. 20s, not bad at all. Then let's jump to QYLD. And RYLD is $25.11. Let's jump to QYLD. Now, the thing about QYLD, you're getting 18, let's just say 13 cents to, you're not going to, I highly doubt that you're going to ever get to 30 cents on this, but let's just say 20, 25, 26. I got 19 cents, 22 cents, 20. It's around there. But again, I wouldn't expect 30 cents. I would maybe expect maybe in the 20 cents per pop. Again, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes. I have a disclaimer in the comment section, but my gosh, a dividend yield of 10.32%. And I wouldn't consider this a yield trap at all either. You got to be careful with stocks like AG&C who are yield traps, as I have mentioned before. And, some of those, NLY, be careful with that one as well. That appears to be a yield trap. But let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Who doesn't like monthly dividends? Why don't you tell me your best monthly dividend ETFs in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the comment section. You guys take care and have a good one.